So student, open the next page, now page, that is page number 42. Now we are going to study the saturated solution. What is meant by saturated solution? Means, see here, first for here also having one activity for the saturated solution. So first what you have to do, we need one beaker, okay, or glass, or beaker or a glass, a spoon, salt and a water. What we need? Spoon, salt and water, and one glass, okay. Then pour half a cup of water in the beaker. तो हमें क्या करना है, वाटर उस ग्लास में हमें वाटर ऐड करना है, ओके. ऐड 1 tablespoon ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड स्टर इट वेल. तो बाद में क्या हमें ऐड करना है, 1 tablespoon ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड देन स्टर मीन्स मिक्स इट वेल अंटिल द सॉल्ट डिजॉल्व. जब तक सॉल्ट डिजॉल्व होता है तब तक हमें स्टर करना है. अगेन एडेड टी स्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड स्टर वेल. फिर से हमें उसमें सॉल्ट ऐड करना है, ओके. अगेन वी हैव टू ऐड 1 tablespoon ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड स्टर इट वेल, ओके. देन अगेन आफ्टर स्टरिंग अगेन उसमें फिर से हमें 1 teaspoon of salt we have to add and stir. Okay, after adding a few spoon of salt, do you find that some salt remains undissolved and settles at the bottom of the beaker? So student, see at the picture, see at this figure. First we are adding 1 spoon of salt in the water. We are stirring it well. It get mixed completely. Again we are adding 2nd spoon of salt. Then again we are adding 3rd spoon of salt, and then again we are adding 4 spoon of salt. Then what will happen? That salt that salt remains undissolved. तो वो undissolved नहीं हो, वो dissolved नहीं होगा. It remains undissolved. Okay, and it settle at the bottom. वो bottom glass के bottom पे settle होगा. So this means that no more salt can be dissolved in the amount of water we have taken, and the solution is now said to be saturated solution. So जितना ग्लास में हमने पानी लिया है तो उसमें उतना सॉल्ट ऐड नहीं हो सकता. So this solution is called saturated solution. Okay, means no more salt can be dissolved in the amount of water we have taken. The solution is now said to be saturated solution. So students, same thing. See the activity 9. See here. Take some water in a beaker and mix salt until it cannot dissolve any more salt. This will give you a saturated solution of salt in water. Now add a small quantity of salt to this saturated solution and heat it. Okay. So student, देखो as same. If you are taking if you take sugar, you take a sugar and see first what you take, you have to take 1 glass, and glass में थोड़ा सा ही पानी डालना है, and then थोड़ा सा means half of a glass उसमें पानी डालना है. Then what you have to do, you have to add 1 spoon of sugar, okay, sugar डालना है उसको, then stir it well. Again add 2nd spoon of sugar, again stir it well, it will mix. Again you have to add 3rd spoon of sugar, again stir it well. Then again add 4 spoon of sugar. आपको फिर से उसमें sugar add करना है. तो that sugar did not dissolve in the water. Why? Because water की level कम है और sugar की level ज़्यादा है. So this solution is called saturated solution. Means no more salt or sugar can be dissolved in the amount of water. मतलब जो हमारा water का amount है वो कम है और जो salt और sugar का amount है वो हमारा ज़्यादा है. So no more salt can be dissolved in the amount of water we have taken. मतलब हमने जितना amount water का लिया, हमने कम पानी लिया है और उसमें हमने 4-5 स्पून शुगर डाला है और शक्कर डाला है, सॉल्ट डाला है. तो वो उसमें डिजोल्व नहीं, इट कैन नॉट बी डिजोल्व इन द वाटर. सो दिस सोल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. Okay students, so student, we have discussed a few methods of separating substances. Some of the methods of separation presented in this chapter are also used in a science laboratory. We also learned that a solution is prepared by dissolving substance in a liquid. A solution is said to be saturated if it cannot dissolve more of the substance in it. Correct? So student, in this chapter we have learnt about different methods of separation. For example, winnowing, threshing, hand picking, then sieving, and also we have learnt about the evaporation, condensation, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, and last we have learnt about saturated solution. Okay, so student, here we have completed chapter number 5, that is methods of separation. Let's see the keyword: churning, condensation, decantation, evaporation, filtration, hand picking, saturated solution, sedimentation, sieving, solution, threshing, and winnowing. So student, try to read the summary. Hand picking, winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decantation, and filtration are some of the methods of separating substances from their mixture. So the next, husk and stones could be separated from grains by hand picking. Husk is separated from heavier sheets of grain by winnowing. Difference in the size of particles in a mixture is utilized to separate them by the process of sieving and filtration. In a mixture of sand and water, the heavier sand particles settle down at the bottom and the water can be separated by decantation. Filtration can be used to separate components of a mixture of an insoluble solid and liquid. Evaporation is the process in which a liquid gets converted into its vapor. Evaporation can be used to separate a solid dissolved in a liquid. A saturated solution is one in which no more of that substance can be dissolved. More of a substance can be dissolved in a solution by heating it. Water dissolves different amount of soluble substances in it. So student, try to solve these exercise question answers. Okay, and I will also give you the question answers of the exercise. Student, read the chapter again and complete your homework. Thank you, students.